Here I come again with another lesson for those who are trying to learn to read and write Urdu. It's a very simple lesson in which we are going to form Urdu words from letters. या हम जोड़ तोड़ से अल्फाज बनाएंगे. The first letter is alif छोटी ये काफ. Alif छोटी ये काफ. And the word that is formed from it is alif छोटी ये काफ एक. एक. Alif ये काफ एक. Ek in English means one. Dal, waw, do. These letters don't combine here, so it is dal, waw, do. Third word is te choti ye noon. Te choti ye noon. Te choti ye is used in short form where two dots are put under a short circle. Te choti ye noon te choti ye noon teen. The next is J alif re. J alif re. J is here, till here it is J, and then we combine alif with it and re, and then J alif cha, re char. Char is 4. Pe alif noon J. Pe alif noon J. Pe alif pa. Pe, we are combining alif with short form of pe. From here to here is pe, and then alif. Noon is in short form. Here till here it is noon, and then J. Pe alif pa noon J. Panch. Panch is 5. Che he. Che he. Che he. They combine to make che. Che, which is 6. Che. Che he. Che. In English it is 6. Saat. Seen alif te. Seen alif te. This is short form of seen till here, and then we combined alif with it. Seen alif sa te. Saat. Seen alif sa te. Saat. In English it is 8. Then we have alif madda. This is alif madda with this line on it. On alif we put this line, and it is alif madda te he. Alif madda te, till here it is te, and then we combine he with it. Aat. Alif madda te he. Aat. So that is 8. And then noon wow. Till here it is noon, and we combine wow with it. No. No means 9. And then this is dal seen thus. Dal seen thus. These letters don't join, they are just simply written together. Thus. This means 10. So this is in fact counting from 1 to 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in Urdu it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a very simple lesson for today. If you find it useful, do let me know in the comments so that I am able to improve my lessons further. Thank you.